Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install uBlock Origin on Google Chrome. Let's begin by opening the Chrome browser and going to the uBlock Origin extension page. You will notice that the Add to Chrome button is grayed out. This means that Chrome has disabled the button and you cannot install the extension directly. To enable the button, right-click on the page and select Inspect. A side panel will open with the page's code. Look for the section that contains the Add to Chrome button. It will likely be inside a div class. Expand that section and find the part that says Disabled Area. Right-click on Disabled Area and select Edit as HTML. Then remove the word Disabled and close the Inspect window. The Add to Chrome button should now be enabled. However, clicking it will still not install the extension because Chrome blocks extensions with older manifest versions. To fix this, go to Chrome://flags in the address bar. In the search bar at the top, type Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Versions. Once you find it, set it to Enabled. Then click Relaunch at the bottom right. This will restart Chrome with the setting applied. Now go to the official uBlock Origin website. Click on the Source Code button. This will take you to the GitHub page. Scroll down to the Releases section. Look for the Chromium version of uBlock Origin and download it. Once downloaded, extract the zip file into your Downloads folder. Go back to Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode at the top right if it is not already on. Then click on Load Unpacked and select the folder where uBlock Origin was extracted. You may see some warnings appear. Click on Warnings and then select Clear All to remove them. Now you have successfully installed uBlock Origin on Chrome. Thanks for watching.